Hey, if you are using the JBL Tune 125, the true wireless sound, and you have this issue that only one earbud is working, for example, the left one or the right one is not working, first of all, just be sure that you unpair them from your Bluetooth on your phone. So disconnect and then simply unpair. Deactivate Bluetooth on your phone and put back both earbuds inside the charging case, just like this. And now we have to take a look for the indicators. As you can see, the right one and the left one are currently with the white color. But now the left one blinks for like 2 times, the same with the right one. And now we have to close this case when they blinks like this, and we have to input both buttons until they lights up again. So close this case, now open it and do this. So click and hold the left and the right. As you can see, the right one is actually not blinking. The left one disappears, but now it lights up. And as you can see, the left and the right one is turned on. Now they disappear. So it means that we perform the hard reset. And now you have to close this case, open it one more time, and remove it from this case. Now they will go into the pairing mode manually. As you can see, the right earbud is blinking quickly, so now we can try to pair them. So click on the switcher and let's see if we can find them. As you can see here, I can find them, so I have to click on them. I can accept the pairing, and right now I am successfully connected. So that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.